Me get a camera on there. No, I can't make this get what you're mad. Thanks for coming to the party with me. Please stay tuned for the next 9 minutes and I will give you the experience of a lifetime.
Sxully Fane, it's all for fame.
Yeah, watch your style, yeah. Food is nice too, you know. That may I tell you. Never eat no pork though. The party was so amazing that I returned to all our reasoning with the man of the moment, Sxully Gad, Fane. To find out who is listening
Listen to NBA YoungBoy, Vybz Kartel, Skippa, and AI Millie, Chronicler, you know. Yeah, man.
So,
They say them, man.
out the road, you know, 37 miles. We get the details already, man, and everything locked in. So watch I go on. So after we jump on the toll out, they say, you know, it's the first exit, yeah, man, first exit. So we now climb over the hill there, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, first exit and go across for the flat bridge. You know, flat bridge guy already. So we there, like, you know what I mean? But you don't know where I keep it safe, you know, so safe travel on the gravel, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, we now move too speedy. And you don't know, so through the gorge there, so but watch I go on now. See, after we come out of the gorge, good luck. How do you feel about such an awesome celebration for your 27th birthday?
Yeah, man, it's a good feeling, you know. It's a great feeling, you know. Yeah, man, I love it, man.
I'm always super excited to go to the country. So when I got the call inviting me to Fane's party, I couldn't contain myself. I immediately started to get my equipment ready, checked my car, and started to plan how I'm gonna get there. Anyway, I'm on my way right now and I can't wait to get there. There's gonna be so much food and they're gonna scratch you with some girl to it. You hear them say a mermaid there, I wonder if I choke you. Yeah, the dog, we know say you have beer food them up over there, man, a bag of things them up over there, prepare, you know, pork and goat and fowl and all them sitting there right now, we burn up the pork in a butt. Yeah, you know say people are going hard that still, but I say, yeah man, lots of. The venue was someone's front yard. When I got there were quite a number of persons hanging out, chatting, laughing, just having fun. I quickly began to get my equipment set up, working out the logistics, setting up my Starlink, looking for a power supply, and within about 30 minutes, it started to rain heavily, and I started to harbor thoughts that the event was going to be postponed. However, the persons there were not concerned about the rain. They said that, yo, the rain so well up here, man. So said, so done. That's exactly what happened, and the cooking started. Sit back, relax, check out the sights and sounds brought to you by Tropical Nomad TV, and don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to the channel. Where's a goat curry or curried goat? Where's a stew goat? Oh, there's a brown stew goat. There's a drop on the cover for this here. Well, I'm going to cover for this here.
come and look after me. Every time when I look after me, come and look after me. Every time when I look after me,
I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away.
You know the funny when I put up on the video. Where's the afraid of that video? Come for a video, but now I'm saying I go like carry no time. I joke here, but I put up on it. Alright, ready. Video. Nomad TV. The party was really great. I am. It's another day. Memories of that party. It was so great. Food was totally delicious. Should I say the best I've ever had? Anyway, jerk chicken was delicious. The curry goat tasted like nothing I've ever had before. Well, it tasted like curry goat, but better than any other curry goat. And how could I forget about the cow skin soup? Yeah, the party was really super great. People were friendly, everything was good, and just the memories of driving out to that party was 37 miles. Well, in my context, it's far, but maybe if you're in the US or some other large country, 37 miles is just around the corner, but in my country, 37 miles, it's really very far. And like I said at the start, when I was about to enter the toll, and I said 37 miles. It was really, I was thinking of a daunting journey. But on the way there, I just had a happy vibe, great feeling. I just couldn't contain myself. I mean, I could just imagine what things were gonna be like. When I got to that very dangerous bridge, I mean, I had weird thoughts in my mind. But I was able to cross it. Anyway, across the bridge, not over the bridge, because over the bridge wouldn't be good, but across the bridge, that was definitely exciting, thrilling kind of experience. Adrenaline was flowing, but I was able to, cross it. Anyway, so on from there, through the beautiful gorge, well, dangerous and beautiful gorge, because of course there are lots of rocks. You could have a rock fall or, all kind of stuff could happen, but I was able to do it, and then I got to the party. I mean, it was, there, persons were laughing, talking and all that. It was, lots of fun, friendly banter and so on. But then it started to rain. After the rain started, I had a, not so good feeling, thought that the party was gonna be postponed, but then the rain stopped miraculously. I'm wondering, like, do they have a remote to turn the rain off? I don't know, but anyway, the rain stopped, and thank you for coming and for watching through to the end. Please like, share, and of course subscribe to the channel. It's Delamint with Tropical Nomad TV, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon.